Welcome back to my YouTube channel Car Reviews. Today, we're stepping into a world where style meets precision, performance meets emotion, and every curve tells a story. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the 2025 Mazda MX-6, a car that brings the soul of Japanese craftsmanship and the heartbeat of modern performance into one breathtaking package. And in this shimmering silver shiny finish, it doesn't just catch the light, it commands it. From the very first glance, the 2025 Mazda MX-6 looks like it's in motion even when standing still. The front fascia is bold yet elegant, featuring Mazda's signature Kodo design philosophy, soul of motion. The sleek LED headlights sweep backward like the eyes of a predator, while the low, sculpted hood flows effortlessly into a wide grille outlined in chrome. The side profile tells a tale of aerodynamic brilliance, smooth, muscular lines that catch every reflection of light, especially in this glossy silver tone that looks like liquid metal under the sun. The 19-inch alloy wheels add a perfect touch of aggression, and the subtle rear spoiler hints that this beauty is built for more than just looks, it's built for performance. Stepping inside, the Mazda MX-6 greets you with an interior that feels more like a premium lounge than a sports coupe. Soft touch leather stretches across the dashboard, brushed aluminum accents give it a futuristic flair, and ambient lighting creates an atmosphere that's both inviting and exhilarating. The new floating 13-inch infotainment display dominates the center console, paired with a fully digital instrument cluster that reacts dynamically to your driving mode. The seats, sporty yet plush, are wrapped in high-quality Nappa leather, with contrast stitching that mirrors the car's exterior lines. Mazda's engineers have gone all out to ensure a driver-centric cabin. Everything from the steering wheel tilt to the gear lever position is tuned for comfort and control. Under the hood lies the heart of this beast, a finely tuned 2.5-liter turbocharged Sky-Activ-G engine delivering around 290 horsepower and a punchy 420 Nm of torque. With an 8-speed automatic transmission and an available all-wheel drive system, the MX-6 accelerates from 0 to 100 km/h in just under 5.8 seconds. But this car isn't just about straight-line speed, it's about balance. The steering is crisp, the suspension adaptive, and every corner feels like an invitation to explore its limits. Mazda's G-Vectoring Control Plus makes handling incredibly fluid, letting you carve through curves with precision and grace. The exhaust note, deep and confident, adds just the right touch of drama to every drive. On the tech side, Mazda doesn't hold back. You get wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a premium 12-speaker Bose audio system, and advanced safety features under Mazda's iActiveSense suite. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera make this car as smart as it is stylish. Now let's talk pricing. The 2025 Mazda MX-6 starts around $39,000, with higher trims pushing close to $47,000, depending on options and drivetrain. For what it offers, the design, the performance, the luxury feel, it's a serious contender in the modern coupe segment. So, who is this car for? It's for the dreamers who want performance without compromise, the drivers who value connection over complexity, and anyone who believes that every drive should stir the soul. The 2025 Mazda MX-6 isn't just transportation, it's an experience, a statement, a reminder that driving can still be pure joy. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth car reviews, and let me know in the comments, would you take the MX-6 over its rivals like the Toyota Supra or the Nissan Z? Thanks for watching Car Reviews, where passion meets performance, and every drive tells a story.